Come on, Ben. Hi, Ben. Good. Now, f blank equals 1 plus e to the power blank, alright? So, will you tell me what happens when I replace x with minus x? What should happen?
Both minus x go into the blank.
Alright, we're good so far, alright? Next thing it wants us to do is to find out, show that. This actually means it has to work. Is fx multiplied by fx minus f of minus x? Sorry, fx multiplied by f minus x. So what's the next line, Ben? Two things multiplied by each other. What you get?
F of x.
Which is?
1 plus e to the x.
Yeah.
Multiplied by 1 plus e to the power minus x.
Yeah. And once when you multiply them out?
1
Yeah.
plus e to the minus x.
Yeah.
Plus e to the x.
Yeah. What's e to the x by e to the minus x? E to the 0, because you add the powers. And what is e to the 0?
1.
Yep. Awesome. And then, what's your answer for that part then? 2 plus?
2 plus e to the minus x plus e to x.
Alright, Grant. Now, next thing you gotta do is you gotta add the two of them together. So it's 1 plus e to the minus x. 1 plus e to the x plus 1 plus e to the minus x. So what you get then?
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Alright. That was reasonably easy money, wasn't it? Is there there's other parts to that part, is there? Of course there is. Now, oh, that's a big old circle there. Done. Now we're on part B, are we? Alright. Find in terms of y, given that the y dx equals that, and y equals 4 when x equals 0, the curves e to 2x, e to minus x intersect at the point 0, 1 as shown in the diagram. Okay, just going to get rid of all this. Do we actually reuse this information later? Oh, interesting. Don't know why they showed you it then. Now, let's get rid of this. Alright, lovely. Lovely jubbly. They tell you that's 0, 1, don't they? And they want you to stop at the line x equals 2. And they just want you to find the enclosed area, is it? Alright. Find y in terms of x. Alright, gotcha. Is that part C?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's try this out now. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's do this. Now, alright, what we're going to get is the y equals. I'm going to change this up a little bit before I do anything else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate that into 3 over e to the x minus e to the 2x over e to the x. We cool with that? Alright, Matthew, what does the first one become? 3e.
3e minus x.
Awesome. And what's e to the 2x over e to the x?
Minus e to the x.
Yeah. It take away the powers from each other. 2x take away x. And I'm still equal to dy dx at the moment, aren't I? So what can I do with that dx, Charlie? Bring it to your side, good man. And now wrap it up like so. Alright, Oscar, we're going to have to pair off some integrals here. Okay? Now, the deal is that they have to match each other, alright? So, what's down here matches this one, and what's up here matches this one, alright? Or do you just do the plus c thing? You just do the plus c thing. You can actually match up the integrals, and it's actually faster. You'll learn this, and if anybody does this implied maths, you'll end up doing it this way. So I'll show you now. If you do 4 there and 0 there, and you do y here and x here, you'll get the same answer without going through all the plus C business, alright? But given that you guys have a method for doing this, I'm just going to stick with the plus C method for the time being. So we get this, don't we? Okay. Now when we integrate the y, we get y. Integrate this, the power stays the same, doesn't it? Differentiate the power, Gaffigan. Differentiate minus x. When you differentiate minus x, it's whatever number comes in front of the minus x. So the derivative is minus 1. So you divide by the derivative of the power. Killian, what's this one become?
Minus e to the x over 1.
Yeah. You don't have to put in the 1 because it keeps it there. Same. And we're going to go for a plus c, are we? Now, what did we learn? We know that when the x value is 0, the y value is 4. So what do we do here? 4 equals 3e to the minus 0 over minus 1 minus e to the power of 0 plus c. Alright, what's this here? Anybody? Into the calculator with it?
Yes.
Minus 3 minus 1 plus c. And what does c have to be then? C is 8. Are we cool with c being 8? Back up to the original equation. Change that to n. 8. Change that minus 1 into a. We'll just go for that to be minus 3, won't we? Alright, what does it want from me next, Killian?
You have to find the area of
That equation.
Yeah.
Right. And I'm here. Is this a completely separate question? Has nothing to do with the last part.
Well, no, it's you're using the equation to differentiate. You have to differentiate.
Sorry, is this the question here? Find the area enclosed between these two graphs. Oh, but I missed a bit, did I? Alright, sorry, I missed a bit. The part I missed was C. The curves e to 2x, e to minus s, intercept points 0, 1 as shown in the diagram. Tick. Find the exact area. Yeah, so I'm just finding this area. Alright, looking for me, this is probably the easiest question we've done in a while. Okay, thank God. So, next, I don't need any of this. All that is gone. Alright, what happens if I integrate, 0 to 2 e to the 2x? What area do I get there? Anybody? Everybody happy with the blue area? We all go with the blue area? Okay. What happens if I integrate this area here? What area is this? Any idea what area that is, Oscar? Just there, isn't it? And if I take the two of them away from each other, I get my answer, don't I? We all got there? Alright, this is easy money. Now, Connor, we're going to go for you again, alright? Sure, why not? Now, what's the integral of e to the 2x? E always stays the same, alright? Differentiate the power. What's the derivative of 2x? So just over 2. Happy enough? Alright, go for the next one, Connor. What you reckon?
E to the minus x
Yeah?
over minus 1.
Yeah, you know them now. Handy enough for you. Okay, let's do this. E to the power 4 over 2 minus e to the 0 over 2. So what happens if you put in 0? 2 times 0 is 0. And now, take away what? See that minus 1? Just going to lob it up here, is that alright? And then we're going to get minus e to the minus 2 minus 2 minuses, isn't it? Double minus makes it a. Plus e to the minus 0, anybody? So it's minus 1 over e squared plus 1, and this is e to the 4 over 2 minus a half. Alright, what's minus a half minus 1? 3 over 2. E to the 4 over 2. Is this the answer? Just left like this? Alright. I'd probably lob it into a decimal as well.